Welcome home to gorgeous 8187 McClanahan Drive in Brown Summit, North Carolina. This gorgeous home features a 2-car front entry garage, rocking chair front porch, large deck perfect for entertaining, and overlooks a large rear yard. Through the front door, you're welcomed into a large great room anchored by a gas log fireplace and stunning hardwood floors. Crown molding graces this main level, where to the right, the formal dining room is backed by a front-facing window and wainscoting. Through the great room to your right is the breakfast nook overlooking the rear deck, and a spacious kitchen with eat-in bar, granite countertops, smooth surface double oven range, and plenty of cabinetry and counter space. To the left of the great room is bedroom 2, with double rear-facing windows, ceiling fan, and double door closet. The full bath with tub shower combination is conveniently located on this side of the house between bedrooms 2 and bedroom 3. With front-facing window, ceiling fan, and double door closet. Across the great room past the kitchen is the main level master suite. This comfortable suite has 2 oversized rear-facing windows, ceiling fan, and a large in-suite bath with window-topped garden tub, his and hers vanities, large walk-in closet, and tiled walk-in shower. Next to the master are the stairs to the second level. At the top of the stairs is the vaulted home office, shown here as a guest room. This upstairs space is incredibly versatile and large enough for a media room, playroom, or exercise space. The upstairs has a full bath with tub shower combination, walk-in closet, and linen closet. Also on this level is bedroom number 4, with unique ceiling line, ceiling fan, and closet. This room and location make for the perfect teen or guest suite. To recap, 8187 McClanahan Drive features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, bonus room, home office, stunning hardwoods, fireplace, and neighborhood pool and tennis. For more information, please call me, Emily Franco, with Coldwell Banker Triad Realtors at 336-937-2891.